Are you thinking about starting a maid agency in Malaysia? With rising demand for domestic helpers, this business can be both profitable and impactful for families in need of support. First, you'll need to register your company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, or SSM. Then, apply for the necessary licenses with the Ministry of Human Resources and the Immigration Department. These approvals are essential, as maid agencies must follow strict regulations to protect both employers and domestic workers. Next, focus on recruitment. Many Malaysian maid agencies partner with overseas counterparts, particularly from Indonesia and the Philippines. Make sure you comply with bilateral agreements and ethical hiring standards. Providing training, orientation, and after-sales support can set your agency apart. Remember, this industry thrives on trust and professionalism. Starting a maid agency requires commitment, compliance, and care. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we help you every step of the way, from business registration to licensing. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's make your business idea a reality.